8 Best Ideas About Real Estate Investing. Get an understanding of tax laws and recent changes. Tax laws are updated and amended regularly, which means it is up to you to keep up with them. Look for safe properties, where you can park a big sum of money, and get investment returns via monthly income, like rent. This means that you will need to get a realtor, accountant and lawyer. These people will also give you great advice while you invest. This will give your property more value when it is time to sell. If it is a good neighborhood, then chances are the value will remain high, but property in a bad area could end up being a bad investment. Choosing a property to invest in should be a business decision, not an emotional one. It is important to be attentive to the properties you buy. Make the most money in the long run by buying and holding. Investing in real estate is very popular and can help you build up substantial wealth. Have everything in line before you get started. Feel free to use this content with your readers on your social media and website. Every article and video is written with your clients in mind. You are not permitted to change the author, URL, or content without prior permission. Don't forget to like our video.